How you doing? My name's Anthony Goncalves. Today I'm going to be showing you how to take a pork chop, slow cook it, and then take it to the grill. Okay, so here I have my trusty slow cooker. It's one of my favorite vessels. A lot of people don't know what to do with this. This is buy it, take it out of the box, clean it, and get ready to use it. That's as simple as it can be. Now, when we're using a slow cooker, what I always do is a 24-hour marinade. So what I did was my marination on this particular dish, which is a double-cut pork chop, and thinking about then taking it from the slow cooker and going to the grill. I did orange, lemon, grapefruit rind, garlic, herbs, basil, thyme, oregano, olive oil, and we added some white wine to this. Not a lot, just a little bit. Olive oil is very, very important. In doing this, I also learned that you want to create it's a steam chamber, basically. So onions, they really work nice and they perfume things beautifully. So we have some onions and some kale, because that ties it all together for me in my household. So I'm going to take this pork chop that's been marinating for 24 hours, I'm going to put it right in there, and I'm going to add the kale and the onions. And it's as simple as that. I'm going to lay it in there. Put that top on, secure it. And then I'm turning it on high. And I'm going to let this go for about 4 hours. And from that point, we're going to take it, we're going to let it rest, and then we're going to go to the grill. Got this grill going on high. You have to be delicate with a slow-cooked pork chop. It's a braised pork, so it can fall apart. So high heat for a little amount of time. We're going to get char, and in getting char, we're caramelizing a little bit of those herbs, and that's all you need to do. Just char it up a little bit, and it's ready to go. Chef Anthony Goncalves, thank you for joining me today. That's how you slow cook and grill a pork chop.